Hi everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations, and I have a share for you you're going to love. This is the package that I received that I'm going to be working on for the National Scrapbook Day Virtual Retreat that we are having April 29th through May 2nd. This is a must-do event. Our designers are all getting amazing projects together with amazing packages, and you are not going to want to miss it. There is still time to sign up. There are still boxes available. So please go check the link down below. Go get signed up, and we are going to meet back here starting April 29th, and we're going to have a lot of projects for you, and we're going to have a lot of fun. The virtual retreats from Country Craft Creations are so much fun because you not only get a box full of amazing product to work with and great tutorials by all of our designers, but you're also going to be involved in games and fun activities and Zooms, and it's an exceptional event. So you need to come check it out. So again, there's still spots left. You can still get in on it. So go check out that link below. But let me show you what I received that I'm going to be working with and make a great project for you. So I did receive the Cardabella paper collection Feels Like Home. It's gorgeous. It's so cute. And I just think this is going to be a fun project to work with. So let's start off with, we're going to have flowers to play with. Little birdie handmade flowers. They're gorgeous. I love them in a beautiful ivory color. So I'm going to have that. I have this, look at this gorgeous lace. This gorgeous lace. I'm going to have that to play with and work, and it won't work great with this paper. I mean, I think it will. We have this beautiful champagne colored ribbon. This is 1/4 inch, and it's just gorgeous. So I'm going to have that to play with. And then I took them out of the little baggie, but I have these cute little house charms that I'm also going to have to play with. Aren't they adorable? Just love that. And then the paper collection will come with these chipboard stickers, and look at them. They are so homey, so beautiful. Kitchen themes with the pots and pans, the refrigerators, the sink. We've got cookies with this cute little pot holder. I mean, isn't this adorable? It feels like, you know, grandma's kitchen. I love that. It's just gorgeous. So we have that. Then let me get this out of the way. Here's the cover paper. This is what we're going to be playing with. So get that out of the way, and let's look at these papers. I mean, they're just gorgeous. So we're going to get one of each. So you got this floral paper. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful paper. The 3x4 cut aparts, just super beautiful. Look at grandma's chair. Look at that. The rocking chair. Isn't that sweet? I just love it. And then the back of that is this cute little rose pattern. Looks like beautiful wallpaper, doesn't it? Super pretty. This one has a bunch of little houses on it. And then on the back, we have this cute little kind of dusty pink pattern here. Oh, look at how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And you turn that over with the pretty plaid. Beautiful. The 6x4 cut aparts. Happiness is homemade with love. Is that not the truth or what? Super pretty. The back of that, the cute little pot holders. Adorable. Love it. We've got the kitchen towel rack here with the pots and the pans, the little copper pots. And then the beautiful pattern back here with the pink. Oh, the little baby tags. Those are so cute. Those are so cute. Love them. And then the green pattern back here. I like the colors. I think the green and the pink, all of this, the yellow just goes together really, really nicely. So we have 4x6. So we have a page that are horizontal, page that are vertical. That's awesome. Love this. Isn't this pretty? You guys, I think this is going to be gorgeous. The flower vases. This is going to make a very pretty album, I think. And then the wall of beautiful portraits of flowers and everything. The florals, there's books, there's houses. Super pretty, super pretty. And then, ooh, the green floral. It's hard to see. Hope you can see it, but there's a green floral print back there. Okay. Oh, the plates. How many of y'all had grandmas that had plates on the walls? So pretty. And then the back of that, that's really pretty pink paper. The pattern is pretty. I like it. The 4x4 cut-aparts. I love those. Aw. This home is our happily ever after. I love that. So pretty. And the tea shelf. Whoop. Sorry. And then the tea shelf. Look at that. I'm a tea drinker, so that's awesome. Love that. The back of that. Ooh, pretty green. Love it. Oh, and then the florals. There's more florals. So pretty. The colors are gorgeous. And then the back is that pretty yellow. And then this, let's turn that over because it's a sticker sheet. So, got to have our sticker sheet. And look at all the beautiful things we have. We have all kinds of teacups. We have little sayings. We have, oh, look at the candelabra. Or the candles, I should say. Not a candelabra. Coat rack here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. You guys, I'm going to love playing with this. This is super darling. Yep. I love it. I love it. Okay, and then I also, you will also get a package of the solids, the coordinating solids. So you get 6 pages in here. So the first 3 will have this like color on the front, and then this will be on the back. So we've got 6 sheets to play with, 6 different colors. Gorgeous. We got a pack of that. And then we're going to get the ivory cardstock. And let me count this. We got 1, 2, 3. Okay, we will have 15 sheets of the ivory artisan cardstock, the 85-pound, really amazing cardstock. So you're going to have 15 sheets of that. You're going to also get 2 sheets of chipboard that we will use for this project. I am super excited to be playing with this collection. You guys, this collection is absolutely gorgeous. Don't you think? I think this paper is so pretty. We're going to have a lot of fun with this. So like I said, go check out the link down below. There is still spots available, boxes available, so you can get in on this National Scrapbooking Day event that we're going to have, and it is going to be so much fun. I just can't even imagine missing it. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay crafty. Go check it out, and I will see you again soon, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.